Hi everyone, I'm Farah.
And I'm Agnes. Welcome to another episode of our 18 Days of Christmas special.
We have a really fun video for you guys today, particularly for our taste buds, because we will be trying out some really delicious desserts from Sucrose. Once we're done with this video, you're definitely gonna end up with a rumbling tummy because these desserts look delicious and I'm sure they taste just as delicious too. But don't worry, because at the end of this video, we have a special giveaway for you guys. So if you want to try these desserts from Sucrose, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Alright, so without any further delay, we are going to dig into these desserts that we just can't resist anymore. So we're gonna start with Eva, which is actually their best seller. Cheers! It's really good.
It's like Nutella, but
Like-
with a bit of sour taste, right?
Yeah, like the orange peel, like gives that pop of flavor, so you won't feel jelak when you eat this.
Yeah. I think another thing to note is the texture of the dessert. There's like a crispy exterior and then a creamy interior. I think it's perfect. I mean, I'm a dessert person, so it's good for me.
Now we're on to our next dessert, which is Audrey.
And I like how you can differentiate the texture of the mousse and the cheesecake, like the middle part.
This is something that you definitely need to try.
If you love cheesecake.
Honestly, I'm super impressed so far.
So the dessert that we're trying right now is called Yellow. It's actually a lime meringue tart with a star ingredient, ginger from Bentong.
I have nothing to say, it's really delicious.
I really like the meringue because it's very fluffy, almost like marshmallow
Yeah.
texture. And I love marshmallows.
I would rate this a 5. Like, I think it has all the right aspects. Even if you're like a savory person like me, you will definitely enjoy it.
To be very honest, actually I'm not a big fan of ginger, but I actually really like the ginger in this.
If you are visiting Sucrose, I think this should be on top of your list. This with a cup of coffee, perfect.
The last and final dessert that we will be trying is called Napat. It's actually a Thai-inspired dessert. So it's sort of like a play on mango sticky rice. It's actually a chocolate mousse with mango puree and rice pudding filling. So I'm really excited to try this one because on the outside it looks like it's fully chocolate, but actually there's like a surprise on the inside.
Cheers!
I think you would expect like the rice to be like your normal rice, but it's actually not. It's actually very soft and it blends very well. Yeah, and even the mango, it gives like a very refreshing aftertaste. And another thing like to note about Sucrose dessert is that you may have realized that all the desserts that we try are quite in neutral colors, but there's actually a reason behind this. Is that the chef wants it to be fully natural. Yeah, so there's no coloring and there's no artificial flavor. So when you come here to Sucrose, you can rest assured that all your desserts are authentic and natural.
Most desserts, they come with really bright colors, but they're all really artificial, and most of the time it doesn't even taste good. But this one, even though it's very like simplistic, but the inside and the story and also the effort that comes behind creating all of these desserts are definitely something that is very unique to the brand, an attractive factor to everything Sucrose. So we are at the end of our video, and I know this is the moment that you guys are waiting for. Now we're going on to the giveaway. What you will be able to win for this giveaway with Sucrose is their bestseller Eva. All you have to do is follow really simple rules to win the free dessert. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye!